The newest design of the Tesla Model 2, set to arrive in the first quarter of 2026, finally gives clarity after months of speculation. Throughout this period, many people tried to guess what the car might look like, and at least 5 supposed prototypes circulated online, each claiming to be the real upcoming budget Tesla. The constant stream of leaks and guesses created confusion, and even accusations that Tesla was misleading fans. During the annual shareholder meeting, Elon Musk directly addressed these swirling rumors and offered the clearest statement yet about the long-awaited affordable Tesla. What he promised was simple. The product demo would be unforgettable. And now that more details are known, much of the fog around this vehicle is beginning to clear. The truth, however, is that the Model 2 is not some completely radical departure from the rest of Tesla's lineup. Instead, it is the brand's most stripped-down, minimalist, and cost-efficient vehicle so far. But that doesn't mean it should be underestimated. Tesla says the Model 2 still carries the familiar design language of the Model 3 and Model Y, with a subtle touch of Model S refinement, all while removing features that many drivers barely use. This strategy keeps the experience unmistakably Tesla, while making the car affordable to far more people. The Model 2 will come in 2 versions, a base model starting at $15,990 and a higher-end variant priced around $30,000. Both will include full FSD at no additional cost, a major shift from the current $10,000 add-on. With that in mind, the big question is what the Model 2 actually looks like and how the 2 configurations differ in design, features, and performance. After early speculation suggested the project had been scrapped, many Tesla fans were relieved to learn that the Model 2 was not only alive, but progressing faster than before. Unlike the Robotaxi program, this car will be built through a refreshed production strategy combining 2 existing lines, which will reduce the price below its already surprising $15,990 target. Tesla has stated that output is accelerating so customers can begin receiving deliveries in early 2026. Everything pointed toward a compact, aerodynamic crossover priced under $16,000, and Tesla's confirmation that development is speeding up supports that view. For now, the only completely new vehicles Tesla is preparing are the Robotaxi, expected in April 2026 with an estimated $35,000 to $40,000 price, and the affordable EV often referred to as the Model 2. So the idea that this vehicle was canceled is officially outdated. Tesla's vice president revealed that the company is blending parts of the existing platform with new elements for the upcoming vehicles and manufacturing them on current factory lines. This supports the idea that Tesla is taking a balanced approach, reducing costs while still integrating new technology. Some people regret that this move didn't happen earlier, believing that an affordable Tesla years ago would have brought millions more into the EV market. Today, the average new car in the U.S. costs around $49,000, while the average EV is even higher, making them out of reach for most buyers. The Model 2 aims to change that. Inside, the standard Model 2 features a simple open console inspired by the Cybertruck, fabric-covered doors and dashboard, and mostly manual interior adjustments. The driver's seat has 10-way power controls, but many other adjustments, including mirrors, steering wheel, and passenger seats, are done manually and accessed through the central touchscreen instead of using physical buttons. It includes a 7-speaker audio system, basic headlights, 2-tone cloth and vegan leather seating, and a sealed glass roof for improved insulation. Side mirrors fold manually, and the car uses a standard cabin filter instead of Tesla's larger HEPA system. It rides on 18-inch wheels with a 19-inch upgrade option, offers 75 cubic feet of cargo space, weighs 4,610 pounds, and supports Tesla's supercharging network with the ability to add about 300 miles in roughly 15 minutes. Color choices include stealth gray, pearl white, and diamond black. The long-range Model 2, expected to start at $30,000, keeps many of these features but adds upgrades such as sound-insulated doors, a bumper camera with washers similar to the Model Y, and a 321-mile EPA range using a 53 kilowatt-hour battery. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds with 310 horsepower. The panoramic glass roof remains, though the rear entertainment screen has been removed and the center console now uses an open cup holder design. It has the same 7-speaker system and a large 15.4-inch central display. Charging tops out at 225 kilowatts, adding up to 170 miles in 15 minutes. This version weighs 3,879 pounds and offers about 7.2 cubic feet of cargo capacity. Interior lighting is simplified, using footwell and door pocket lights instead of a full LED strip. Standard LED headlights include automatic high beams, but not matrix LEDs. FSD is optional here for a one-time $10,000 purchase or a $99 monthly subscription. Tesla's decision to shift its manufacturing strategy reflects lessons learned from the ambitious unboxed production process introduced at Investor Day 2023. While the method, painting separate modules, assembling large casted parts, and using structural battery packs, promised to cut costs in half and shrink factory footprints dramatically, also introduced significant risk. Implementing a brand new system requiring heavy automation, fewer workers, and highly synchronized robotics proved more difficult and time-consuming than anticipated. Integrating sensors, robots, and software into a seamless flow created challenges that slowed the rollout. Because of these complications, Tesla chose a hybrid path, using existing lines for immediate production of affordable vehicles while still introducing select elements of the next-generation platform. This ensures stable output while reducing financial and operational risk. The Robotaxi program, now referred to by Elon Musk as the Cybercab, will still rely more heavily on the unboxed system, giving Tesla an opportunity to refine the method before applying it more broadly. In the meantime, the Model 2 benefits from a balanced approach that blends innovation with proven reliability. Tesla's decision also aligns with recent cost-cutting measures, including reducing its global workforce by over 10% to improve efficiency during uncertain market conditions. By mixing familiar manufacturing with targeted next-gen upgrades, Tesla can continue pursuing its long-term goals without compromising near-term production. In the end, the unbox process is not being abandoned. It's simply being introduced gradually. Tesla is using a realistic strategy to deliver an affordable EV without sacrificing quality or delaying production indefinitely. The Model 2, built through this hybrid approach, may become the most accessible Tesla ever made. When the car officially goes on sale, the real question will be which version buyers prefer, the extremely low-cost base model or the more capable long-range version. Either way, the Model 2 represents Tesla's most deliberate push yet toward widespread EV adoption. Looking ahead, the most intriguing part of Tesla's plan is how quickly it expects to scale production of the Model 2 once manufacturing stabilizes. Tesla believes it can eventually build one Model 2 roughly every 10 seconds, something that would have sounded impossible just a few years ago. This ambition traces back to the innovations shown during Investor Day 2023, when Tesla introduced the world to its vision of the next-generation assembly system. The idea was to rethink car manufacturing from the ground up, breaking the vehicle into modules, painting them separately, and bringing everything together only at the final stage. Combined with single-piece castings and structural battery packs, Tesla claimed it could reduce factory space by nearly half while slashing production costs. But as development moved forward, the company realized that implementing such a revolutionary approach all at once carried enormous risks. Unlike traditional car-building methods that have been refined for decades, the unboxed strategy required unfamiliar equipment, precise calibration, and robotic systems functioning in perfect coordination. Even minor misalignments created delays. Tesla's engineering teams understood that these obstacles could slow the rollout of an affordable EV at a time when speed mattered most. Rather than risking large-scale setbacks, Tesla adopted a more measured approach, blending unboxed elements with existing lines, so to begin Model 2 production sooner and with greater reliability. Key to the strategy is Tesla's new $1,000 drivetrain, introduced as part of the next-generation powertrain.